Your hands on the back, front of the back. All right, John Michael, you right in there. You're right in there. Good pitch.
Stepping forward with the wrong foot.
One of these wild guys.
Yeah.
Anywhere we got the ball, you do.
Yeah. He stepped forward with his right foot. He stepped forward with his left foot, didn't he?
He did.
Yeah, but
Yep. Oh, nice. Good throw.
yeah!
All right, Jamichael.
Yes, nicely done.
Way to go! Gotta tag him, Josiah. Gotta tag him. Gotta force.
I've been using more of my YouTube account. I've been making these little videos on there. Throwing it up on YouTube so my parents can see the kids do it.
Oh, that's great.
It's really kind of cool.
There's so much. I gotta get in the technology age here. Catch up.